It's Abu here. You're probably wondering, what's different around here? And the answer is everything. I took the last year off, not just from podcasting, but from everything. I needed a reset mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Last year was one of the hardest years of my life. And as you know, life doesn't just throw one thing at a time at you, it hits you with everything all at once. I was depressed, I hit a mental roadblock, my business hit a wall, and then I faced an unimaginable loss of someone I deeply loved. I had a reset. I went deep, asking myself, what's wrong with me? What did I do to deserve this? I struggled with grief, with loss, with relationships, with business, and family. I was operating from a place of seeking permission to let go, permission to step back, permission to prioritize myself. I thought if I didn't show up the way others needed me, I'd be letting them down. At my lowest, I realized I was more worried about how others saw me than how I saw myself. And then it hit me. You don't need permission when you decide. Whether it's your personal life or your business, you don't need anyone's approval to take the next step. And here's the truth, you don't need permission to be a CEO, but you do need the tools, the mindset, and the support to lead in a way that doesn't cost you your peace. It took me over a decade to truly figure this out, not just the past year. And now I'm ready to keep going, sharing what's worked, what hasn't, and everything I'm still learning along the way. So if you're ready, and I know I am, hit subscribe, leave a review, and share this with someone who needs to hear it because this isn't just my journey, it's ours. Lastly, I just want to thank everyone that reached out to me over the last year just to check on me, check on my mental health, and make sure I was doing good. I truly, truly appreciate the support. And since I started this podcast, the community we've built, the people I've connected with from the episodes and relationships that I've developed have been truly incredible. And I look forward to continue building more deep connections with you all. All right, see you next week.
It's been a long time and I miss this feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating off the floor, past the ceiling. The wind in my hair, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel as I'm taking flight. Man, I'm feeling like myself again. Hey, man, I'm feeling like myself again. It's been a long time and I miss this feeling.